Most people get travel rewards wrong by picking cards without understanding real value. If you fly WestJet frequently, the WestJet RBC MasterCard could be a game changer. But let's break it down before you apply. First, earning points. You earn 1.5 WestJet dollars per $1 on WestJet purchases, 1 point per $1 on other purchases, and bonus points during the first months if you meet a minimum spend. The surprising truth? Many people overlook how bonus offers can significantly boost your first-year rewards. Next, travel perks. The card gives you free check bags, companion discounts, and access to WestJet's rewards network. Most people get this wrong by comparing just the point rate. They forget that free check bags alone can save $60, $120 per trip. Annual fees are moderate, and interest rates are competitive. While the card is excellent for frequent WestJet flyers, if you rarely fly, the rewards may not justify the cost. That's why evaluating your travel habits is crucial before applying. Redemption is simple. Points can be used for flights, vacation packages, and even seat upgrades. Using points strategically, like for long-haul flights, maximizes their value. In conclusion, the WestJet RBC MasterCard is ideal for loyal WestJet travelers who want to save on flights and earn rewards efficiently. Most people get this wrong by chasing generic travel cards without matching their travel patterns. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews to make sure you choose the right card for your lifestyle and maximize your travel rewards.